Excellent aftermarket addition to my 2019 GSX-S750Z. Very good quality at a fair price and looks great. I didn't read the instructions, instead I watched their YouTube video and it was super simple install. However, my motorcycle did not come with the license plate spacer, so my install was a bit easier than the one in the video. Way better than the stock Fender. Perfect fit for my 2018 GSX-S750Z. I didn't initially expect to have to take off any fairing panels, but it was only to remove the seat. Once everything was opened up, the install was extremely easy thanks to the detailed instructions. Even though the instructions point specific attention to which turn signal is which, I managed to get it backwards and only found it out after I had attached the mount to the fairing. Fortunately, I just swapped the black and gray connectors rather than have to disassemble everything and re-route the wires. Once it's installed, it looks like the bike could have came with this straight from the factory. Extremely clean and OEM look, and for a great price. Highly recommend. Okay, so Vagabond published a YouTube video describing exactly on how to install the Fender Eliminator on the Suzuki GSX-S750. Following that video, installation really is a breeze. You do not have to take any fairings off to get it installed. My package got shipped from the US to the Netherlands and it was here in less than 10 days, I believe. In one of the pictures you can see the Fender Eliminator's footprint compared to the original Fender. It really is small and saves quite some weight. Despite being in the Netherlands, I haven't ridden in the rain yet. The bike is my daily rider, but I only ride to the office twice per week, so I do not know how much dirt or debris is ending up on my backpack. The styling definitely makes up for it though, just regularly clean your jacket and taillight. It is a lot more expensive than a Chinese knockoff, but I do not really cheap out on motorcycle parts that are meant to last. Also, the license plate light actually fits without any overlap of the rubber. Original lights are mounted. I might upgrade to LED blinkers in the future. This is the second Vagabond Fender Eliminator I've got, and once again it's awesome. The first one was for a different bike. This time it's on my 2018 Suzuki GSX-S750Z. The craftsmanship is perfect. Awesome written and detailed video instructions as well. Just follow along with the step-by-step video and it's very easy. A lot of attention to detail. Comes with everything you'll need for the full install. It's made so that you can use your stock turn signals, or any 10mm bolt-on turn signals as well. I am using my OEM signals for now. Not only does it look better, but I was also able to route my wires in a way so I have more storage room under the passenger seat as well. Click link in description for more reviews.